welcome back to Kendi Beauty. So I am super excited to show you guys another Trendmood box. It came volume 6. Super excited. I know I just posted the other Trendmood box video. I got that on the restock actually. So now with this one, I actually got it in the original launch date. So I am just really excited. I cannot wait to show you guys what this box is all about. If you guys aren't familiar with Trendmood, it is an Instagram and YouTube. Sophie is her name and she posts all the new makeup releases. I actually use her site for a lot of my videos just to find out what's launching and coming out, and it's just a great site. And around, when was it? I think it was like around December or January, they started doing these boxes where they basically sell items that are newly released or haven't even launched yet in the box. So it kind of goes hand in hand with the site because the site is all about new releases. And I've been a huge fan. I haven't been able to get my hands on one until recently when they restocked. I think it was volume 4. And I didn't get volume 5. I wasn't able to get that one. And now I finally got volume 6. And I'm so happy that I was able to get it. If you guys aren't familiar with the boxes, they usually retail for around $50 to $60. Today's box retailed for $68. And we're just gonna get right into it. If you guys are new here, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, tap the bell so you can be notified of all the new upcoming releases and videos, and let's get into this box. Alright you guys, here she is in all of her glory. I am so excited to see what these products are all about. Alright, and I just hit my light when I did that, so whoops. Alright, hold please. There we go. Okay, so first up, this is like a brand new product, has not come out yet as far as I know, and is the Sponge by Makeup Eraser. And I'm sure you guys are thinking like, oh, it's just a beauty sponge, what's the big deal? Well, if you notice the outside pink casing, this is so you can put it in the washing machine and wash it. So hey, I'm all about ease of application and washing things. Like, I am such a procrastinator with washing my sponges and brushes. It's horrible, but it's just such a pain in the butt. Alright, it says multi-size droplets crafted for maximum water flow to penetrate deep into the sponge, creating a revolutionary cleaning experience. And you can use the sponge for concealer, under eye touches and blending, powder, baking, contour and highlighting, and foundation, liquid cream and powder. And it's a durable design threaded to withstand the spin of a wash machine, tumble and heat of the washer and dryer. Oh, I did not know that. I thought you could just wash it, but that you can dry it too. Like, yes please, thank you. Alright, and they always have like these fun little cards, these promo cards in the box too. And then there's like a little scan me thing, which I'm really into that because you can just scan it and find out what everything's about. Alright, and so there isn't a price on that yet because I don't think it's been released yet. At least that's what it says online. And then they also included the original makeup pink eraser. This retails for, I think, around $20. Yes, $20 this retails for. Alright, so we're like a quarter through. Like I said, I paid $68 for the box. Alright, and next up, I'm super excited about this. We have Lily Lashes in Miami, foam ink in Miami. And then we have the brand new Lily Lashes Power Liner. This retails for $13. It just came out. The Miami Lashes retail for $30. And so the Lily Lashes Power Liner, what is so neat about it, and it's just not a normal eyeliner. It says it's a high performance brush on lash adhesive black, a high performance non-irritating latex free false lash adhesive that helps to hold lashes in place from day to night. So not only is it a liner, but it's also used as an adhesive. I will see if this is worth the hype. I've heard a lot of things about it. See if it actually works with lashes. I'm really hoping it does, because if I can take 2 steps, a liner and glue, and lashes, no, that's 3 steps. If I can take a liner, lashes, and glue and combine it into 2 steps, liner and lashes, that would be amazing. So I'm super excited, and I just think that this is a change from the other, you know, other releases coming out. I think it's very innovative on the lashes part of it, and I'm really excited to try this out. So we have the makeup eraser, which was $20. The new one, which I don't know the price of that, we'll just throw in $20 for the heck of it, so $40 plus $30 for the lashes, $70 plus $13, so we're up to $83 already. Again, I will remind you guys, I bought the box for $68, so far surpassing the actual price I paid for the value of what we're getting so far. Alright, and this next item I'm also really excited about. It is the new Marc Jacobs mascara at Lash Mascara, and this retails for $27. It says it's a long-wearing, lengthening, and curling mascara for highly defined full extension lash look. It has biotin peptide, provitamin B5, and vegan plant waxes. Super excited to try this out. I'm always all about mascara, and yeah, so $27 plus $83 is, hold please, is $110. So almost twice the value of the box already. Alright, and these next things were the reason I pulled the trigger to buy this box. It is the new Nabla Miami Lights glitter palettes, and oh my gosh, the packaging is so pretty. I'm just gonna take it out for you guys, because when I saw this, oh, and there goes the other palette. When I saw this online, I was just like, look at this, you guys. It is so stinking pretty and cute. It's perfect for traveling. It's nice and small and compact. And let me just look up the price on these, because I'm actually not sure, and I don't know if they have come out with them. I do think they came out with this already, but let me just see. It was definitely very recent if they did. And I'm always a huge fan of Nabla, you know, cosmetics. They're a great brand. Okay, so the Miami Lights glitter palette retails for $24. And then we also get a whole palette, like a whole palette. This is the Nabla Secret palette, and this is just so encouraging for us beauty makeup lovers, because it's really hard to find good boxes out there, and so far I've been really impressed with these Trendmood boxes. And if you guys aren't familiar, this is a secret palette. Like, it's a whole palette. This retails for $39.90, so we're really getting up there. Let's see, 23 plus 39, so we're up to $172 already. Okay, and these next 3 items are from the new Milani Fruity collection. They are the Fruit Fetish Dragon Fruit Peach Lip Balm, the Mango Coconut Lip Balm, and the Strawberry Lemonade Lip Balm. And I've heard a lot of really good things about these. I don't know how much they retail for. Let me just double check on that. I know the whole collection itself was a lot. It was like $84 or something, so I didn't get it. But let me see if they sell these lip balms separately. I think they do. Okay, so the Fruit Fetish lip balms are $7.99 each. So let's see, $172 plus $7.99 plus $7.99 plus $7.99, $195.97. And we still have one more product to go, believe it or not. And who doesn't love a good eye cream? This is the new First Aid Beauty Eye Duty Niacinamide Brightening Cream. And this retails for $36, and it did just come out as well. So overall, $231.97 is the value of this box. And not to repeat myself, but I'm repeating myself again, I paid only $68 for this box. Like, these boxes are crazy good. I haven't been this excited about anything in a while, and as far as makeup, new releases boxes. I mean, I guess it's just because I love a good deal and I love makeup. And I mean, these are really, really, really nice products in this box. Actually, I like the products in this box better than the other box. That had good products too, but this is even a step up from that. I mean, you guys, look at these glitters. They're just stinking beautiful. Like, oh my goodness. Oh, look at this. They're gorgeous. They're absolutely gorgeous. I am so glad I was able to get this box. I hate to like promote it in a way because then I might not be able to get it next time because there's only a limited amount that they do. So you really have to be on your A game and really be waiting and get it as soon as you can. And yeah, I'm just so glad I was able to get this box. Thank you to Trendmood Box and thank you to Sophie. This is a great idea, and as long as they still continue to stay amazing, I will still continue to buy them and get them. Alright, you guys, as always, now it's time for our quote for the day. Alright, and today's quote is, "You never know what you're gonna get," from Forrest Gump. Life is like a box of chocolates, you never know what you're gonna get. And I really feel like that is how I feel about beauty boxes. You really don't know what you're gonna get, and a lot of times it turns out to be not worth the money. Obviously, like I said before, that is not the case with this box. This is amazing. You definitely get your money's worth and then more. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.